Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how does France's government work answered. Follow along and pause when you want to review each section. We'll outline the president's powers, the government's role, and how parliament and the judiciary balance each other. I will explain lawmaking steps, local government duties, and citizen participation using clear, everyday examples so you can see how decisions are made and who is responsible, and timelines. The executive combines a popularly elected president and a prime minister appointed to lead government work, and this duo shapes national policy together. The president handles diplomacy and major national decisions, while the prime minister runs ministries and implements laws. Ministers oversee specific sectors, propose bills, and answer to parliament, and together they manage budgets, public services, and crisis responses with checks from other institutions to prevent concentration of power. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more explainers and keep content coming in a friendly format. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth is an easy, practical read and fits with learning about civic choices and budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Legislative power rests with a bicameral parliament that examines, amends, and votes on laws and budgets while representing regional and popular interests. The Constitutional Council reviews important laws for constitutionality and protects fundamental rights, and independent courts interpret and apply laws to resolve disputes. Together, these bodies create legal stability, provide oversight of the executive, and allow citizens to challenge administrative decisions, ensuring laws match democratic principles and legal limits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.